Hi, Jim Lopolito here. In 2018, I opened my own consulting business. Why did I do this? Because I have a reputation for turning businesses around. For the past 25 years, I've been a general manager and certified executive chef, and I've helped companies go from low revenue and low profits to high revenue and high profits. My best performance to date, I was hired by a country club. They were losing hundreds of thousands of dollars a year for 5 years. And what did I do? I went in and spent a year there and helped them. And what was the outcome? They achieved a $400,000 profit. Now that was an exceptional experience, and it's not what usually happens in this industry. If you own a business, you know I'm not going to bring a $200,000 deficit to a $400,000 profit unless you're really doing things poorly. I guarantee, yes, I guarantee that I can move your business in a progressive, forward path to better profits. Reach out to me. Don't be afraid to make that call. The call is free. 845-238-8131. Make the call.